If you're living under the rock like I do and you never heard of Aqua lashes, Ardell just came out with Aqua lashes, no adhesive needed, deep and apply lashes. I was actually doing my passport photo the other day on CVS. Noticed these ones, so I'm like, hello my friends, how are you today? Welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome to the fam. My name is Zina Pandora. As you have noticed, we are testing lashes today, and particularly water activated. So it says no glue needed. I am intrigued. Let's put that to the test. Now, they were available in few styles. Honestly, I couldn't figure out the name of them. It doesn't say which one are these ones. All it says it's water activated lash band. So yeah, this is how it looks like. The band definitely feels very stiff. Like, see? We are going to cut the excess of the band. Then I'm going to measure on the eyes to make sure that I don't need to trim it. I think the size is right. So let's grab some water it, and get it on. Poured a little bit of water in here. Gonna grab the liner brush, and I'm gonna wet the band. All right, let's pop it on. Oh wow, it actually worked. What? My 2 cents on these lashes, I think they're 8 out of 10 for sure. I like the style and the design. They're super easy to apply. However, the lash band needs a little working. It's a little too stiff. It feels almost like a wire kind of stiff. So I don't like that, but overall I do like the style. They look really pretty on the eyes. Plus, I'm not sure if you can reuse them more than once. I'm not sure if that water activated glue would still hold on and you can reuse them. Other than that, I really like the style, so if you guys want to grab yourself a pair, I'll make sure to leave a link down below if they are available online. If not, they are available in Cvs Stores. Alright guys, today's video is sweet and short. Once again, thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you on my next one. Bye!